throughout the press con.
So what am I?
And we are live. What's up, guys? This is by far. This is actually the first time I periscope. Okay, this is slightly closer. What's up, Walter? Walter, say hi.
Hello.
That's Walter. He's the man behind me looking good. A very, very dear friend of mine. That is the woman who I always bug. That is Shikha. She manages me and like tries to stay alive through it. This is
Hi.
my man Sachin. He's more like family to me. I can read a lot of questions coming in, but guys, I'm just going to keep walking to my press conference for the voice. Hold on, let me swipe that. Stop. Double tap. What's up? So I'm just walking down my van, and poor guy is always standing outside trying to get me in on time. So, we finally reached the semi-finals of the shoot, and we're very excited, we're very thrilled, because the voice has been absolutely brilliant. I have a very nice site coming up. I have the fantastic Sunidhi Chauhan me. That is Sunidhi. Sunidhi, say hi to my people on Periscope.
Hi, how are you?
Sorry I put you on the spot, but I was live and I saw you walking. So that is the fantastically beautiful Sunidhi, who I can't help but hit on every time she's
Thank you, Karan. You're too sweet.
Thank you.
And you're looking very nice too.
Thank you. That is me and Sunidhi together.
अरे ये कौन सी लाइव? क्या
Yeah, this is Sunidhi. This is Sunidhi. I'm saying Sunidhi. This is Periscope. It's a pretty cool function. It's on Twitter. You can chat live with all your fans. It uses your Twitter handle, and you go live, so they can pretty much see what you're doing. So while we're talking, we are live.
That's cool.
So I thought it's a press conference. Let them get a live stream of what we do.
Oh, okay. Awesome.
Well, I'm just hoping that the video is clear enough. I'm walking into the set. And this is where it's all gonna happen.
Yes. Strange बात है ना, लड़की पहले आ गई.
नहीं लड़की नहीं, लड़के पहले आ गए. आपने मुझे लड़की बना दी आपने. Why? Sorry, this is.
Hi.
What's up, brother?
Fine, sir.
तो जब मैंने ब्लाइंड ऑडिशंस किए थे मैं इनको तंग करता था क्योंकि ये उस वक्त पीछे रेड रूम में होते थे. अब फॉर्चुनेटली इनके पास मिस्टर मीत है. I'll take you on a quick. The funny part is I see a lot of hearts coming in. That's pretty cute. So this is actually where we used to shoot.
Hey,
what's up? How are you, brother? I'm live on Periscope. You can say hi to everybody. Give us a short introduction, quick.
Jatin, I am the overall in charge of reality. Please come into the red room.
So basically, Jatin
And
shot.
it's dark. Hey, throw light on there.
Jatin shot the
Lights on!
the red
Lights
room when
on!
I was here for the blind audition. And this is exactly where we shot it. Now it's slightly different because we've turned it into the red room. This is actually where I did my first shot for The Voice India, which was the introduction shot. And I can see the hearts are exploding. That's pretty cute. Nishu Dubey, Sharmali, Pooja Agarwal, Nishre Elaine. Thank you very much, guys. You all have logged in. So basically, this is Periscope. It's an application by Twitter. It's pretty cool because you can go live. So that is Mr. Meet, who's totally trying to hog all the limelight. No, I'm kidding. The fantastic singer, he's also the host of The Red Room.
Yes.
So whatever we're chatting right now is going straight on stream.
Oh, nice. Not bad. Not bad at all.
Yeah. So it's pretty cool. And you can see the hearts and all there, right?
Yeah.
So that's
So
people
they're-
like tapping
they're
in
like-
that they're liking, they're enjoying, and you can
okay,
keep
okay,
like
okay.
answering to questions here. Hi mate, see you've got someone saying hi to you.
Hello.
Hi mate, hi,
How
I
are
love you.
Oh, I love you too.
Please wish me. Oh, I think the I love you might just be for me.
Okay.
I love you, Karan. Yeah.
I got it.
See?
I love you, Karan.
It's someone's birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Awesome, Katie, you noticed me. And people, it's like a live chat, so you can keep answering questions and you can keep seeing what's happening.
Okay, yes, that's good.
Hello from
Hello from Mexico.
Oh.
China, wow. What's your favorite song? Oh, that was too quick. Can you say hi, Snidhi? Man, there's, bonjour, France. What's up? Where are the contestants? Where are the contestants?
They're in the makeup room.
Well, the contestants are all getting ready and like getting all pretty. Hello from Australia,
Superb this is.
from Delhi, from Singapore, from London, from Hyderabad. Wow.
Great.
Where is Himesh sir? Himesh. Oh, a big hi to Pakistan. From Gujarat, from USA, from Iraq, Bangalore.
I'm downloading this.
Wow, man. Wow.
This is
That's,
cool, huh?
I'm pretty shocked that there's a lot of people who've logged in. This is actually my first time that I'm doing this.
Okay.
Ahmedabad, Punjab.
कैसे बढ़ते वही तो मुझे भी नहीं मालूम है
पहले मैं ट्विटर डाउनलोड करता हूँ कल ही
Amsterdam,
मैं ज़्यादा ट्वीट्स करता नहीं था मैं डिलीट कर दिया है
Vegas. Wow. So this is the best part, yeah. You know what? You can keep talking to people from all around the world.
How's this?
So this is what I'm using for my internet. Yeah, it's
fast?
pretty good. Okay. So now I'm gonna go on to the set. Bye, buddy. Bye, guys. Have a good one. So this is gonna stay on live while I'm at the press conference, and you all can keep watching what we're doing. View. That is Hina. She handles the PR for our show. That is all the press.
Hello.
And that is Shan,
And
the most melodious
with
voice
you.
of our country. Shan, what's up?
nothing, I met your best friend last night.
Oh, you did?
I did.
You're live on being streamed on Periscope, so I'm putting
Okay,
everybody
so I can't
straight
really
on the
talk
spot.
about much besides what else we spoke about. But yeah, good things for Karan because, of course, best friend Rajiv from London is down. Have you met him?
Fortunately, yes.
See all the political correct things because you're on.
I like how you played that well.
Looking good. The white suit is looking great.
So you, thank you very much, sir. Thank you. So that was Sean. He's looking super dapper on the show himself, and he's one of the most melodious voices of the country, and which is pretty cool that we've got him on board to judge the show. I've also got a very beautiful girl with me. This beautiful girl is Jasmine. Jasmine, say hi.
Who you irritate all the time.
You want to me to get real on this and tell people why I bug you? So, okay, before the press con starts, actually I'm going to take you guys on a quick tour of the set. So this is where the stress room was. And now we're going to walk to the main stage area. So this is exactly where I walk in from every day when I'm on shoot. So you can see we're backstage. Well, I hope you guys are enjoying me taking you around here because that's the whole idea. So you know what? Every time there's a singer live on stage, I'm sitting there down on those red chairs, watching them perform on that monitor. Then I come running up these staircases and run down these, and I'm usually running down trying to catch my breath and saying, "What's up? What a great performance!" Well, welcome to the set of The Voice. You usually get to see it the other way around, but this is what it actually looks like. There's nobody here other than me. So yeah, I mean, yeah, there's a lot of hard work that goes into it. You know, there is a lot that is what goes on. So this is the fantastic crew that we have. They work very very hard. भैया आपका नाम बताओ मेरे सारे दर्शकों को.
कैलाश.
ये कैलाश जी हैं, बहुत मेहनत करते हैं. बैकस्टेज हमें पिलाते रहते, खिलाते रहते फुल टाइम. ये दूसरे हैं अकबर. हिमेश सर अभी सेट पे आए नहीं है, वरना मैं हिमेश सर भी दिखा देता. हिमेश सर जब आएंगे, आई प्रॉमिस यू गाइस, आई विल ट्राई लॉगिंग बैक ऑन इफ द नेटवर्क इज गुड. Okay. Well, this is me signing off. I really hope that you enjoyed the Periscope chat. We'll do a couple of questions, sometime around just like this. And I hope all of y'all can get your Periscope working. Priyanka, I will tell Sunidhi that you love her. And but as of now, I gotta go in, because the press con is gonna start, and The host can't be late. A lot of love from the set of The Voice, guys. Guys, do not forget, you are highly involved in the voting, in the decision making of who's going to be the voice of the country. So please vote. Vote for your favorite voice. And Jasmine's running behind me because I need to go back on set. So bye bye. Tell you what, I'm gonna keep this on while the press con is going on. That girl I showed you, Shikha, she's gonna be fine on. She's gonna keep this on. Where's Shikha? You need this. What? Shoot the press con. Let them see what we do. Hey, John. Hey, John. That is HR. I don't need to talk. Keep it. Your clips.
बेटी को नहीं, बाप बेटे को नहीं, कि गाना क्या है, गाना काम अपनी लाइफ में आगे जाकर काम करना। जैसे कि वो एक बड़ा फेमस जोक है ना कि हाँ तो क्या करते हो, जी मैं गाता हूँ, तो ठीक है काम क्या करना। तो ये वाली बात है म्यूजिक में, और यही रीज़न है कि काफ़ी अच्छी प्रतिभाएं अब हमने डार्क के खोल कर कुर्ती तो नहीं निकाल सकते, लेकिन होप कर सकते हैं कि वो आए। और जहाँ तक ये बात रही कि कुछ लोगों का नाम लिया जाता है, वजह सिंपल है, दे आर द बेस्ट, ऐसा उनका नाम लिया जाता है। और जो अभी तक नज़र नहीं आए, मैं उन बेस्ट की बात करूँ, वो शायद भगवान बस करें।
आपका ये पिछले दिनों से चेंज हुआ है, इसका क्या रहा है?
चेंज
लुक चेंज हुआ है,
परिवर्तन ही
लुक थोड़ा अलग लग रहा है।
अच्छा, मुझे लगा बाल
तो अंदरूनी
अंदरूनी
तो आप इसी बातों को विश्वास करें।
हमने करीब 10 साल पहले लखनऊ में एक शो देखा था। लखनऊ में 10 साल पहले शो करीब देखा था, रेलवे ग्राउंड में हुआ था 4 बार। तब में हमें अंतर भारी आ गया है, लेकिन स्मार्टनेस बढ़ी।
मुझे अच्छा नहीं
मेरा यही था मतलब
प्रोडक्ट कौन सा यूज किया?
प्रोडक्ट दो एक्स्ट्रा खाना, टाइम पे खाना, और डेफिनेटली रोज रेगुलरली जिम जाना। ये ही 3 प्रोडक्ट्स हैं आजकल ये मार्केट में आराम से मिल रहे हैं। आप बाहर जाएंगे तो हर चौक पर आपको जिम मिलेगा। जो भी अनफिट लोग हैं मन से तो हम सब फिट ही, आप प्लीज जाइए ज्वाइन कीजिए। मन से तो हम फिट होते हैं। अच्छा
Mika in the house.
आज का वर्ड है अंदरूनी यार।
अंदरूनी का मतलब क्या होता है?
क्या एक्चुअली अंदरूनी है ना?
अंदरूनी अंदरूनी।
हाँ
करें
हाँ
अंदर से
अंदरूनी नहीं, अभी करण ने कहा ना अंदरूनी मन के बात, ये मन की बात है, अंदरूनी खुशी।
मन भी सुंदर, तन भी सुंदर। सुंदरता के तुम
क्या बात
सर लखनऊ से आए क्या?
आप शाम में
लखनऊ से हम दोनों
आपको मेरा तन
ठीक है
रसगुल्ला का तो ये शेरो जारी कैसे बोल?
असर संगत का असर होता है ना।
मेरे पोज